Hello guys, welcome back to the class. Also welcome back to the mathematics class for this oncoming post UTME examination. So we are still on this topic in mathematics called indices. Okay, I have two questions here to solve in this particular video, but I will only solve one question. I will take the other one as class work for you, as I always do. So you can solve the second question here and let me know the answer to be submitted. If you are new to my channel for the first time or watching my video for the first time, do it to subscribe, like, or change the button in case you have benefited this. Should be the first one notified. And also, if you are watching this or if you're watching our video from our Facebook page or our Instagram, please follow us and share this video with your friends so they can able to come also learn with us also. So God bless you guys as you do so. Please guys, maybe you need the material that I'm using to take you need the past question that I'm using to take you guys. So I'll drop the link where you can get the past question. So the link to my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp channel, I'll drop it in the comment section or in the description below. So you can go to it, you can click on it, so you can join our group, so you can get access to our material we use for teaching. Okay guys, let's dive into it. That was much of time. The first question here, I have the first question. I picked this question from the past question of University of Lagos, that is UNILAG, and second question is for University of UNIBEN, that is University of Benin. So this question is almost similar. Okay, so if you can understood any one of these questions, you are free to solve any question under this. But if you see the question like this, it won't be difficult for you guys to solve. Okay, I believe that. So okay, let's dive into it, guys. Please, I want you to do some favor for me. So before I dive into it, guys, I would like you to go to the comment section and tell me your name and where you're watching this for this video from, this particular video from at this moment. Let me know your name and where you're watching this video from. So please, that will serve as attendance. Okay, guys, thank you for this. So let's dive into it. Okay, the question that is simplify. We have to simplify the question one. So we have the question one. This is the question one, and here we have a question two here. So the question one said that to simplify, I have s open bracket s plus 1 close brackets raised power of minus half plus minus open bracket s plus 1 close brackets raised power of half divided by, we have s plus 1 close bracket raised power of minus 1. So when it's in a question like this, how this solve is, okay, let me break it down how you can solve it. So I won't rush you guys because I want to try to break it down whenever it's in a question like this, so you're able to solve it. So let's not from this place now. This part, okay, here we have it like this. So we have negative here. This is form of a negative index. Okay, in a previous class I discussed about the law of indices, okay, which I stated about seventh law of indices with you that we have. You can solve any question with that seventh law of indices. So if you look at this question now, we have a negative here. It has a negative index here. You have a minus as negative index here. So we apply negative index to solve this. And here we have a negative index, and here we have a root power. Okay, he has a root power here, which is 1 over 2. Okay, that's fractional, but this fractional here is given as some of root power. Okay, so this 1 over this is since you are finding the square root of this question. Okay, 1 over 2 is since you are finding the square root of this particular question here, according to the rules or law of indices, right? In case guys, it means our previous class when I discussed about this law of indices. So you can share in the description below, you see the link to our previous class, or you can join our Telegram group. So every video is being uploaded there also our Facebook, Instagram. So let's dive into how you can solve it now. No, this one can be expressed that we have our s, that will be s, okay, multiply this one, can give us, because if you open the bracket, this bracket here is means I multiply this one by this. So this one, let's apply our negative inverse here. That state that we have our a raised power of n is equal to this minus here is sent as 1 over, and this a raised power of this n, they have the power of n here. So this is our negative index. So let's apply to what we have here. So that be equal to, we have s times, we have to be equal to, that is 1 over of this minus we have here, it will be 1 over, that will be what, s plus 1 everything raised power of what, of 1 over what, over 2. Okay, minus, and here we have this one that is given as what, as s plus, okay, 1 close brackets, everything is power what, 1 over what, over 2. So everything is divided by, that is a s plus 1 So open bracket, everything is power what? 1 over what? Over 2. So what the next thing you do now? The next thing to do, remember the roots. Okay, the roots are a law of indices that I gave to you, that if you have a unity 1 as the numerator, it means that you find the square root of this, and here means that you find the square root of this, and also here means that you are finding the square root of this. So let's apply it there now. So this one becomes, we have our s multiplied by, we have 1 over, so this then give our friend the square root of what? Of s plus 1. So minus, and this one also is same thing as I find the square root of what? The square root of have s or plus 1. So let's divide it, divided by, so the same thing here. So let me bring this one down here. So the same thing you apply here also, that will give us the square root of what? Of s or plus 1. Okay, so in this place now, let's solve this this numerator first. This we apply the numerator here, so it will be 1 times s times 1 here and give us what? S. So this one to be in fraction. Let's make this one also what? In fraction. And let's find our what? Our LCM for this one, the numerator here. So if we find the LCM now, this one we have our s divided by, that is a root of the LCM of this. Okay, let me apply it here to make it more easy, to make it more easy and fast. So let's do that. Let's find the LCM. The LCM of 1 and root s plus 1 is root s plus 1. So let's say we have divided by, we have what? Root of what? Of s plus 1. So I want to solve this numerator first. So root of s plus 1 divided by root of s plus 1, that is 1. Okay, 1 times s we give as what? As s. Okay, minus, so 1 divided by root of s, that is root of s. Root of s times root of s, that gives us root of s was square. That is root of s plus 1 square, rather we have square. So in this place now, let me create another state. So let me start from here. So from this place now, from this place, we can simply say that this square root here, this square here can cancel the square root here. So we're left with what? With this. So we have our s minus, we have s minus, that is open brackets. So we're left with s plus 1. That is what? S plus 1, close bracket, divided by, we have the square root of s what? Plus 1. So the next thing here now, if you should open the bracket here, if you open the bracket here, we have minus times s here, like minus s, minus times plus here will give us minus. So this one becomes, we have our s, okay, we have s minus s, so minus times minus, that give us minus what? 1, divided by, we have the square of what? S plus 1. And here we have minus s, this will give us 0. So therefore this one, the numerator becomes that equal to, that's minus 1 divided by, we have root of s plus 1. So our numerator is equal to 1 over minus 1 over root of s plus 1. So let's divide it by this now. So let's say that we divide by this, what we have here, this one, the division, and this. I want to break it back in. So the division I represent as this, so that we root of like s plus, let me create space. That give us a what? Of root of s plus 1. Sorry, this one is 1. So the next thing here now, this one is in fraction. Okay, let's make this one also what? In fraction, and then we change this multiplication, this division to multiplication. And whenever you are changing multiplication, this division to multiplication, this second part will add effects, where you turn to the inverse of this. Okay, it means that what? Either you say the inverse of this or the reciprocal of this. It means that this one will goes up and this one will comes down, and then this division will change to multiplication. So if you apply it now, it will be equal to, we have minus 1 over, that is square root of what? Of s plus 1, okay, multiplied by, here we have 1 divided by, that is a root of s plus 1. So in this place now, if you should do the multiplication now here, let's apply the multiplication here. So if we should apply the multiplication here, that is minus 1 times 1, we have what? We have minus 1, okay? So we have minus 1, okay, you have what? Root of root of s plus 1 multiplied by root of s plus 1, that give us root of s plus 1, everything here raised power of 2, that be root of s plus 1 square, and therefore this one becomes this square here, it comes to the square root here. So here we have what? Minus 1 divided by, we have s plus 1. So the answer to this question is equal to minus 1 s plus 1. So let's look at the option. Let's look at our option here. So if you check the option, that is option A. That's option A. So the answer is equal to what? Option A. So answer is option A. So this is the answer. A is the answer. Sorry, I'll take my pen off. So answer is option A. So this A is the answer to this question. Hope you guys get this particular question, guys. So I hope you enjoy the class. Hope you understand it. So guys, if you understood the way I solved this question 1, so go ahead and solve this question 2. So this question 2, guys. So that comes to the end of this class. I'll be expecting you guys to submit this question in my group or in the comment section. Just give your answer. Take the snap and let me see the way you solve it, and if you have any issue with it, I can do the correction with you guys. So thank you for watching at this very moment. So guys, that comes to the end of this class. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, or change the button in case you have benefit like this. Should be the first one notified. So okay guys, let's close the class so we shall meet in the next class. Okay, bye for now.